Welcome to the future, SpaceX's Starship second test flight. The pioneering company SpaceX has yet again pushed the boundaries of space exploration. The second test flight of SpaceX's Starship has been a monumental event. This reusable spacecraft is set to change our journey amidst the stars. In this test flight, the Starship soared the highest it has ever been. Its successful landing has proven the feasibility of reusable space technology. But what does this mean for us? It signifies the dawn of a new era where space travel might become as regular as catching a flight. The Starship's successful test flight has several implications. It can open up possibilities for sustainable space travel and even interplanetary colonization. While we are still far from these grand visions, SpaceX's success brings us one step closer to turning science fiction into reality. Stay tuned as we continue to witness the astounding feats of human innovation. Welcome to the new age of space exploration.